In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to archive old posts for better organization. Archiving old posts is a simple but powerful way to keep your space clean, focused, and easy to manage. Instead of deleting older content which you might want to reference later, archiving lets you move it out of the way while still keeping it accessible when needed. This is especially useful if you manage an online community or page where posts can quickly pile up and become hard to sort through. Let's walk through the process step by step, and I'll explain what each action actually does so you feel confident using this feature. First, you'll want to open the area where you manage your community or page and look for the section labeled Mod Tools or Moderation Tools. This is where all the behind the scenes controls live. Clicking on Mod Tools takes you into the main control panel where you can adjust settings that affect how posts and comments behave. Once you're inside Mod Tools, look for an option related to posts, usually called Posts and Comments or something very similar. Go ahead and click on that. This section is dedicated to how content is displayed